Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the control center on the lock screen in this device. So this is the lock screen. Let me show you. This is the lock screen. If you go to the control center, now you can see it is easily opened, the control center. So let me show you how now it is enabled in this device. So let me show you how to disable this one. For this, open settings, then tap on the option Face ID and passcode. Then scroll down. Here you can see the option allow access when device is locked. So now the control center is enabled. If you want to disable this one, turn off this one. Now again I am going to lock the device. If you swipe down, you can see control center is not there, it is disabled. Okay, again I will show you. If you want to enable this one, go to Face ID and passcode, scroll down, turn on this option, lock the device, swipe down. Now the control center is enabled. So simply in this way you can enable or disable the control center on the lock screen in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.